All right, everyone, looking at QNT. So QNT is currently sitting at 102, and just wanted to make a quick update to let you guys know that from this downtrend that we're in, this $100 support area, this 95 to $100 support area, you can see we're coming to that point from the downtrend from the 21-day EMA. The price of QNT is getting squeezed here. So it's either going to get broken and we're going to fall down, or we're going to break to the upside and we're going to move higher here. Although we could get a nice spike down to the $95 area, and that would present you with a really good last buying opportunity or a nice long opportunity down here. So if we drop about 7% down to the $95, $96 area once more, that may be all she wrote before we finally move up and spike up and break the downtrend and start moving higher. But the main reason for the update is I just wanted to point out that we're at this point to where we're either going to break up or we're going to break down here. One of the two has to happen very soon here on QNT. There is a potential, that we go down even further. So if we drop that 7% down to 95, there is a potential that we come all the way down to 85 here. So about a 15-16% drop down here to the $85 range, which I would imagine if that was the case, it would probably be with a wick and a spike down here, and then we'd immediately go back up. But I don't think that will happen, but if that does happen, that's the way I would see it happening. Kind of like we did here, almost a V recovery where we just came down and we just went right back up. So that could be in play. We'll have to just kind of watch it every day and see what happens. But just wanted to let you guys know that we're at this breaking point here. It's either going to break the downtrend and start moving higher, or it's going to break down and we're going to have lower prices on QNT. And one other thing to point out here is you can see how we have the, what was I going to show you? The price going down here on the top. We have the money flow going up. So we do have some bullish divergence. You can see from the price going down here. That shows you that the money flow is coming in here. So that could indicate that we are going to get a nice spike to the upside and break this downtrend and start moving higher finally off of this pressure that we're getting here. So yeah, we'll see how it plays out. The money flow is coming in. Before we end this, the Heikin-Ashi candle are green. They are indecisive. You can see over the last week here, there are shadows all over the place. So yeah, we're just going to leave it at that. Just kind of watch the $100 down to 95 area. We may have another pullback before we move higher. And if we're going to move higher, I guess you could say we need to break over 105 or 106, 105.80 here. So if we can break over the 21-day EMA, it's right on top of our downtrend line here. Then we'll have a shot at breaking the downtrend and actually grinding up on QNT after all this time in this downtrend since October of 2022 here. So it's been a long time coming. We'll see if we can break out here, but we're finally at that point. We're at our macro really strong support here, and it's coming to a head here with this downtrend. So something's going to happen with the QNT very soon, in my opinion. So with that said, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.